Climate change is a reality. Due to these changes, hailstones are getting bigger and the damage more severe than ever before. Assessment and digital scanning area. The hail scanner provides digital images of the car and identifies and categorizes the dents. Our assessors complete the estimate report and order necessary parts to be replaced. Disassembly and reassembly area. The car is dismantled to facilitate access for the repair process by PDR technicians and body repairers. PDR and body repair area. The car is worked on by PDR technicians and body repairers. Even parts of the vehicle where paint is cracked are straightened perfectly to achieve a paint finish without the need for filler. Painting preparation area. The car is carefully sanded, masked, and wrapped in preparation for a perfect paint finish. Paint and polish area. Spray painting is carried out in our superior zero-emission spray booth, environmentally friendly. Quality control and checkout area. The car undergoes a final quality control and scanning assessment, creating a reliable, certified, and irrefutable digital record of the repair. This digital record is an invaluable document available for insurance purposes.